Hey everybody, Joshua here from Gunner Flight. Today I've got a quick tip for you for all those people traveling with little kids. Sometimes it's not possible to get to a bathroom in time and you gotta pull over on the side of the road. Get yourself an inexpensive portable toilet. You can get them on Amazon. Got this at a consignment sale. The toilet itself isn't really what I want to share with you today. But what I do want to share is how we keep it clean and get rid of the waste. So what I do, obviously keep some wipes or some extra toilet paper in there. But get yourself some grocery bags. I found that Target ones are the best to use for this. But you get yourself a garbage bag and you line the toilet. Then you pick up some puppy pads. Go to any of your stores and pick up some puppy pads used for training dogs. When the kids are little, we used to cut these in half, stick them in here, put the toilet lid on, do their business, take it off, tie it up, and throw it in the trash can at the next gas station. It works awesome. The puppy pads soak up all the liquid, and then you tie it all up and get rid of it. So if you're traveling with kids this summer, give this little hack a try. If you thought this is valuable, give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends who have kids, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.